Hello everyone, welcome to another section where we are going to talk about the model, right? The model part. So I'm going to show you how to do the models is specified in the documentation. So without further ado, let's just navigate. Okay, so this is the second part of Django app. So as you can see, this is database setup. I'm not gonna explain a lot here, but I just want to show you what's important. So Django uses the Sqlite database, which is lightweight and simple for now. And okay, they just defined a model here, but a model is simply, it's a database table. It defines the data that we want to store. So as you can see here, it's saying a model is the single definitive source of truth about your data. It contains the essential fields and behaviors of the data you are storing. Basically, that's it. And then we have to create models here. So the way they did it is they created these models step by step, explaining what they could have done and what they've done. And like as you can see here, this is the first they've defined the models. So it's we have got two models. We have got the question model and the choice model. And as you can see, we have got this model question. So the model question will take care of the question. Remember, we said at first that we want this site to display questions which people can vote on, right? And so in order for people to vote, there should be choices, that will allow people to vote on a certain question. So the way these models are structured is there's a question and there are choices that are associated to the question. Simple and straight. So here we've got the model fields. We've got the question text, which is the actual question that people will read and then vote on it. And we are using the character field, right? Which is plain, which is text, right? Which is a sort of a varchar in my SQL. And then we've got the pub date here. That uses the date time. That shows what time the question was published. See, and the date the question was published. And then here they just put this argument that it will show on the date that the question, or if we publish a question today, then it's gonna show that. And here we've got the choice model, and the choice model is inheriting from the question model, because like I said that the choices are associated to a question. So we use a foreign key, which is a one-to-many relationship. We say every choice will have a single question, but a single question can have many choices. I think that's the best explanation that I can give. And let me repeat that again. We are saying a choice, in other words, let's say choices will have a single question, but a single question will or may have many choices. So that's why here we are showing this, that we are inheriting, the choice model is inheriting from the question model, and that's why we are using the foreign key. And to show, in here we've specified the model that the choice model is inheriting from. And then here we have shown what will happen. Let's say we have deleted a question from our database. If we delete a question from our database, then the choices associated to the question will also be deleted. That's what this line of code is saying. And the choice text, because there has to be a choice text, right? Let's say yes or no, right? and then you can click on that, and you see the votes. It's an integer field, right? Which means if you if you vote on a question, then it will show the vote count there. Let's say you have voted on a question and your vote will be counted. That's basically what this line of code is saying right now. So let's just proceed. You know right, so now it's showing us how to make migrations and stuff, things like that. But I just want to reach to another question. Okay, so all right, that's perfect, and I just want to help you see more. Okay, so they've proceeded to the admin and stuff, but that's fine. That's okay. So let's just quickly go through what they've done there. So for now, I think I will leave this to in the other section of the tutorial, because we have talked much for now. So basically that's what we will do. That's what we will cover in the next section of the tutorial. So stay tuned, guys, and see you in the next section.